Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Saying farewell to the month of Ramadan. Vida. Vida is basically you say farewell to someone who you love, someone who you like. So when you are leaving the Kaaba, you go and do a farewell tawaf. Tawaf-e-Vida, as they call it. When you go for ziyarat, you go and read ziyarat-e-Vida. You send your salutations to the Holy Prophet and say, okay, and you pray that may this not be my last ziyarat, may this not be my last visit to the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And also, I'm Ahlulbayt, when you visit them, you say a farewell and say, Allahumma la taj'alhu akhir al-ahdi minni li ziyarati. Likewise, in the month of Ramadan, you should also say, oh Allah, may this not be my last month of Ramadan. May I have the tawfiq to live up to the next Ramadan and do ibadat again. Allahumma la taj'alhu akhir ahdi minni. Oh Allah, may this not be my last month of Ramadan. So there are du'ās, and also the farewell is to especially have certain amal on the last Friday. And on the last night, which is the night of Eid, well, the last night of the month of Ramadan will basically be either, tomorrow will be the 29th or the 30th. That night should be treated the night of Amal. So just like the month of, the night of Qadr. Imam Syed Ali Raza has a du'a for welcoming the month of Ramadan and also doing Vida. And he says, when welcoming the month of Ramadan, he says, Assalamu alayka ya Ida awliya. He used to say that, oh Allah, salutations be upon the month of Ramadan, which is the Eid or the celebration for the beloved of Allah. The people who love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they are the beloved to Allah, they celebrate coming of the month of Ramadan, not going. And when he used to say farewell to the month of Ramadan, he would say, month of Ramadan, if there were any shortcomings on our path, meaning the people, that's how we should pray. Oh Allah, if we had any shortcomings, if we disrespected this month in any way, or if we committed any sins in this month, may Allah forgive us. And if there were any mistakes or sins on our path, may Allah on the last night, because even in the end, in one dua it says, oh Allah, make the last part of our ibadat the best part. The last day or the last night should be the best, because even if we did not have sincere intentions in the beginning, may we have sincere intentions at the end. And the farewell is that you, on the last day, again, when the day has finished, you come to Maghrib and Isha in the night of Eid. There is a special dua, Ya Allah, Ya Allah. There's a dua that you read in the night of Eid, because Allah has made it as a day of celebration. So you say, oh Allah, give us Eid. So we give farewell to the month of Ramadan and we welcome forgiveness from you, because He's generous. Whatever you ask Him in the farewell, He will give you. Because you fasted the whole month, you've obeyed Him. In that obedience, you ask Allah to bless you with forgiveness, to bless you with accepting your deeds, your fasts, your prayers, your special prayers, like prayers, not salat, but also du'ās. Oh Allah, accept our supplications and our prayers that we have made in this month. So the farewell is showing your respect, that like you say goodbye to a friend who you will dearly miss. Likewise, you say to the month of Ramadan, we will miss you until 11 months. You come back, we will miss you because we try to stay up in your nights, we try to fast during the days, we try to read the Holy Quran. So the words are beautiful when you are doing farewell to the holy month of Ramadan, and you should show respect and not show distress. Sometimes, people say, okay, thank God it's over. No, don't do any of that, because that is showing dislikeness. Likewise, even though you are very elderly or weak or don't have the finances and you are leaving the house of Allah or the holy places, do not ever say, this is my last visit. No, always show that you want to come back again. Likewise, for the month of Ramadan, do not ever say, this is my last Ramadan. Always say, oh Allah, I want to see Ramadan again, even if you may be terminally ill or something. That is to show your love that you want to see it again. Thank you very much for listening.